cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this.
Mako SeaWorld first visit here, first time on the ride. On a B&M Hyper, our favorite type.
The first ride's always nerve-wracking.
Yeah, I said look down for the POV. Here we go. She's getting front facing POV and I'm getting rider cam. I think I'm gonna hold on just for the first shot, just get the feel of it.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Yeah! Woo! Holy cow! Yeah! There we go.
Nice.
Woo!
And there we go. See what
Well, my hair will
Orlando
never look the
on
same
Mako.
today.
Perfect.